Hello students, we are going to discuss about noise pollution measurement. Terminology used in noise pollution. Frequency. What is frequency? Frequency is the number of cycle repeated in unit time duration. Its unit is cycle per second or hertz. 1 hertz is equal to 1 cycle per second. Second terminology, intensity. What is intensity? Amount of sound energy received per second. This is known as intensity of sound. What is the unit of intensity? Decibel. It is denoted as dB. Are you clear or not? Okay. What is decibel? Decibel is defined as the logarithmic to the base 10 to the ratio of two intensities. LT is equal to 10 logarithmic of 10 I by I naught decibel, where I is equal to measured intensity, I naught is equal to reference intensity, LT is nothing but level of noise in decibel. Normally sound of human speech in the range of 300 to 3000 Hz. Measurement of noise or sound. Intensity of sound is measured in terms of sound pressure level and common unit is decibel. Decibel 10 logarithmic 10 I by I naught. dB measure how much intense is the sound as compared to reference intensity. Sound pressure level, that is SPL, in decibel is DEF power n, that is SPL is equal to 20 logarithmic 10 P by P naught, where P is equal to measured pressure, P naught is nothing but reference pressure, that is equal to 2 into 10 to the minus 5 Newton per meter square. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yeah. So noise level in decibel is measured with an instrument. That instrument is called sound level meter. It consists of 3 internationally accepted weighing network. Weighing networks are electronic filter circuit built up into the meter to weaken certain frequency. Permit the sound level meter to respond more to some frequency than to others, with prejudice something like human ears. There are 3 weighing scale. One is capital A weighing scale, capital B weighing scale, capital C weighing scale. What is capital A? Severely filter the frequency. Capital B moderately filter the frequency. Capital C hardly filter frequency. Are you clear or not? Okay. Capital A weighing scale dBA. So the sensitivity of human ears depends on the frequency or pitch of the sound. We hear some frequency better than others. Example, if a person hear 2 sound of same sound pressure but different intensity, one sound may appear louder than other. This happens when we hear higher frequency much better than lower frequency noise. Capital A weighing filter adjusts the measured sound level to correspond to this peculiarity of human hearing. It filters out low frequency or pitches. So this is the sound meter. This is measure the noise or sound. Are you clear or not? Okay. Thank you for your attention.